So hey guys, welcome back from another video. So today I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of this new Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. So let me do a quick unboxing of this watch and let's find out what we get inside this box. So let's break this seal first and see what is inside it. So here we go. So this is our Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and here is the first look. So from first look it's look very premium and minimal, and from backside we got this glass build with all the sensors. The dial size of this watch is good. For comparison, I have this Apple Watch Series 6 and as you guys all see, so let me boot this watch. So as you guys have seen, the watch size of this watch is very decent enough because we get 1.2 inches Super AMOLED display in this watch. By the way, Samsung claims that we get up to 40 hours of battery backup in this smartwatch. And the processor we get in this watch is Samsung's Exynos W920 with 16 GB of memory, which is very good enough. With that you get Android operating system in this watch, so you will be able to connect with all the Android devices, but unfortunately you will not able to connect this with iOS one. So let's take a view at other content of this box. So here we get a instruction manual which I'm definitely not gonna read, and after that we have this charging cable. So let me open it and show you the quality of this charging cable. So let's open it first. Here we go. So you got this magnetic charger with USB type C cable. It is also very good in quality. So this was a quick unboxing of Galaxy Watch 5. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Incremental Nova. See you in the next one.